Marigolds are annuals that bloom in midsummer and die at first frost. Marigolds seldom self-seed, so you must plant them every year, but you can clip off the spent blooms after frost and save them in a dry place and plant them next year in your garden or flower bed. The advantage is that most annuals, they have a much longer bloom period. Marigolds love the full sun, but they can get by in a semi-shady place. But to make them really grow and thrive, the more sun, the better. As with most garden plants, they love a rich, moist, well-drained soil with plenty of organic material. Marigolds have a distinct smell that I really love, and these plants are said to repel mosquitoes, squash bugs, and tomato pests. And they look great planted in your garden anyway. And I plant marigolds in a row in the garden or annual flower bed. Occasionally I might even move growing marigolds to a perennial flower bed when they're young. Marigolds are very easy to direct seed in the garden though. While there are countless varieties of marigolds, I prefer the taller African marigolds, which can grow 3 to 4 feet and have the large yellow orangish blooms.